How to make an origami cicada. You need a paper square. Recycled paper is better. Colored side up. Fold the square along the diagonal. Now you have an isosceles triangle with two corners of 45 degrees. Fold the two sharp corners over the right corner like this. Now fold two wings down. Fold the first flap down. Fold the second flap down, but at a different height. Always look at the axis of symmetry. Fold it back if you need to. Turn the origami to the other side. Overlap one side onto the axis of symmetry. Overlap the other side on the axis of symmetry. This is the back. Turn the origami to the other side. This is the front. Now decorate your cicada. Eyes, feelers, from bristles, and have fun!